The last step I have to do before getting the engine into the car for the last time is to remove the transmission from the bell housing here so I can get access to the slave cylinder because this fitting here, which is the GM quick disconnect fitting, will not work with the cable that I have that goes to the clutch master cylinder. So I need to pull this guy off, remove this, attach the cable itself, and then put this back together again. So this will be a lot of fun. There we go. Great. So the idea this time was to separate this just enough and to have this on a creeper here where I could just slide this away, do what I need to do on the slave cylinder, and then slide it together again, hopefully leaving the input shaft and the crankshaft lined up so there's no having to like wrestle with this thing like I did last time. So hopefully that worked. Now I can get to this slave cylinder. Please work. It's working! I should put something down there to catch it. Found it. All good. Don't forget to get the old O-ring out. That's in there. Now we're putting the clutch line on. This is the factory bleeder. To replace this stock bleeder on the clutch slave cylinder, I went and got a remote bleeder that also has a speed bleeder built into it. So there's a lot less effort to bleed the slave cylinder and the whole clutch once I get it in the car. So this part goes right in here. Just gotta pull this washer out first. That. Okay, that's pretty tight. Alright, so that's the speed bleeding remote bleeder attached on this side, and then we have the clutch line on this side. And now it's ready to go back on the car. That should do it. Now I can put the two back together again after applying a bit more grease on the input shaft here. Alright, so we have our clutch bleeder on, we have our clutch line on. Everything is now set up and torqued down properly, and we're ready to go back in the car again. Alright guys, that's it for the episode. Thanks for watching. You may realize that I am not in my backyard anymore. I'm actually in Argentina for 3 weeks for a work trip. That's Buenos Aires. But while I'm here, I realized I couldn't leave Fully Spooled hanging for 3 weeks, so I actually brought my hard drives to do some work while I was here. So I have 2 episodes, this one and then one more coming up that I'm doing while I'm here in the hotel room. So they're a little bit shorter, but I think it's still pretty good content because I had to get the slave cylinder taken care of, and then I also have, the next episode will be the dash and interior bits going back inside the car. So stay tuned for that, and then when I get back to LA, I'll be putting the engine back in the car, and then I'll be putting new brakes on as well. So that's all super exciting and important stuff. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and please check out my social media links after the episode, and like and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.